So here's how to fix Rockstar Launcher failed to initialize error. So first what you want to do is open your Steam, and in here you want to click on add a game and then select add a non-Steam game. And in this list you should see Rockstar Launcher. You can also search on the top here. So if you type Rockstar, you should see Rockstar Games Launcher. Select it and click on Add Selected Programs. Now, if you don't see it in this list, you can click on Browse and then navigate to C Drive, Program Files, Rockstar or Rockstar Games Launcher, and then select the launcher from here. Click Open, and you should see it in this list if you search again. So you should select the launcher like that and then click on Add Selected Programs. Now you want to try to launch it from Steam and see if that fixes the issue for you. Now, if this still does not fix the issue for you, what you can do is right click on the Windows Start button, Installed Apps, and search for the Rockstar Launcher in here. And then click on the three dots and click on Uninstall, uninstall again, and then confirm. And wait for it to uninstall the launcher, and we'll perform a clean install again. So you can open the browser and search for Rockstar Launcher download and click on the first link. Now it should take you to this page right here. You want to click on Get Launcher and then click on Download for Windows. And it should start downloading the launcher again. Now, once the download is complete, you can simply right-click it, right-click the installer and run as admin, and perform a fresh install of the Rockstar Launcher. Now, after installing the Rockstar Launcher again, what you can do is right-click and open the taskbar, go to Services, and then click on Open Services, and search for a service called Program Compatibility Service. So it should be in this list here, Program Compatibility Assistance Service. Double click on it and set the startup type to automatic and then apply an OK. Now you might need to reboot your computer to run this service and then try to launch the Rockstar Games Launcher again, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.